Namaskaram, hello all, welcome to Rupa Cloth Store, Nanganallur. In today's video, we bring in new varieties of 10 yards Kanji cotton sarees. Grace, elegance and simplicity is the nature of Kanji cotton sarees. There are lot of unique colors and patterns which is available right now at our store. Today we will be looking the first set of sarees in Kanji cotton 10 yards. Before getting into this video, please subscribe Rupa Cloth Store Nanganallur so that you will be getting regular updates. Here comes the first saree. We see here is a bright tomato red color 10 yards Kanji cotton with beautiful Gopuram border on either side of the body. And the body goes plain and the border comes in a green color, beautifully woven in half diamond pattern. Like we say bridal Madisa saree, no? And here comes the pallu, traditional seer mundi or lines on pallu. Soft Kanji cotton handloom sarees are very easy to wash and maintain. And the price of the saree is 1320. If you would like to place the order, please contact our below WhatsApp number. Saree number 2 is a pretty purple color 10 yard saree. I would like to highlight that it's a beautiful Ganga Jamuna border on it. Body goes plain and Rudrakshams on both sides of the border, which gives a divine look. Green color or upper part of the border and pink color in bottom part. This is our pallu, which is seer mundi or line pattern or adayar talapu, whatever. And these sarees are completely hand woven, machine washable and no starch required. Price of the saree would be 1290. Third saree is a beautiful yellow color 10 yards Kanji cotton saree. The body comes with self checks patterns and it is also a Ganga Jamuna pattern with retapete border which has floral designs on each side of the border. Upper part goes with a sea blue color and bottom is a light orange color. And as usual, pallu is a seer mundi, you can see it. And you can also convert any of these sarees into ready-made Madisas, which is Iyer or Iyengar, on additional cost. Price of the saree would be 1470. Next saree is an awesome orange color 10 yards Kanji cotton saree. The body has big check patterns with booties inside and the talambu pattern on either side of the border with simple zari on red color. You can place the order from anywhere in the world. We are shipping worldwide. And let's get into the pallu. Pallu will be a seer mundi with zari lines on it. And the price of the saree would be 1680. You can directly visit Rupa Cloth Store to experience more collections. Next saree is completely of threadwork 10 yards Kanji cotton saree. Saree comes in a self color, that is body and pallu will be in same color. Here you have complete threadwork border with Yanai Chakaram pattern on it. Border color is sandal and we can see the pallu. Pallu is a seer mundi with lines. This is completely natural lighting and there is no light ingredients added. So what you see is the real color. And the price of the saree would be 1370. Next one is a dual color Palum Paramum 10 yards Kanji cotton saree. Body got maroon and mustard color checks with mango booties inside. Border has attractive zari mango pattern on either side of the saree. And pallu is a seer mundi with lines and mango booties on it. Order can be placed through below shown WhatsApp number or you can directly visit the store. Price of the saree would be 1440. This one will be the last saree of this episode. It's a double shaded checked 10 yards Kanji cotton saree. It is woven with small self checks all over the body. Border has comfortable threadwork with peacock pattern on either side. It looks simple and superb. And let's see the pallu. Pallu is a seer mundi with yellow threads. Price of the saree would be 1440. And hope you like all the collections. And thanks for watching this video. Subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon. Stay safe and healthy.